Today, we are going on a family trip to Hawaii. I am packing my suitcase for the beach. Do we have our passports and tickets? Yes, and I have some snacks for the plane. Goodbye, house. See you soon.
See you soon.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. We arrive at the airport at 8 o'clock. The airport is very big and clean. Hello, we would like to check in for our flight.
Please put your bags on the scale, sir.
Where are our bags going?
They are going onto the airplane now. Next, we go through security. I must take off my shoes here.
Look, that airplane is white and blue.
Wow!
It's so big.
Yes, we're going on an adventure. Our flight is ready to board. Let's find our seats on the plane.
I like the window seat best.
The sky is very beautiful today. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I would like some orange juice.
Ken is very tired, so he sleeps. We have arrived in Hawaii.
Wow, the weather is so warm here.
Look at the big palm trees. I have a reservation for a blue car. Could you help me with that? Here are your keys. Enjoy your drive. The flowers are very colorful and pretty. This is our hotel by the ocean.
Hello, we are checking in for 3 nights. Aloha! Welcome to our beautiful island.
Thank you. It smells so good.
Wow, the room is very large.
It's bigger than we expected.
Let's check out the balcony. Look at the blue sea from the balcony.
I am ready to go to the beach.
The sand is very soft and white.
Come on, everyone.
The water is a little cold.
I am making a castle out of sand. Just need to pat it down right here. Almost done.
It is important to wear sunscreen today. Look, the surfers are very fast. Now, it is time for lunch. What should I eat for lunch? I would like 4 shrimp plates, please.
Here you go. It is very hot.
This shrimp is delicious and salty.
I'm glad you like it, son.
Please use a napkin, Ken.
The coconut water is very cold. The sunset is very beautiful tonight. We are walking back to our hotel. It is Saturday morning at the market. There are many types of fruit here.
How much is this pineapple?
That pineapple is $5, little girl. I will buy 1 pineapple, please. These soaps look like small candies.
Let's buy some gifts for our friends.
That's a great idea, Yumi.
Look at this fluffy toy. It's so cute.
It's perfect for your friend, Ken.
This turtle keychain is very cute.
I need a bigger size for this shirt. Next, we will take the bus. Look! The bus has no windows.
Ah!
Watch your step as you get on. That mountain is a famous volcano. It was named by British sailors in the 1800s because the crater's edge looked like a lion's head. Are we going to walk to the top? Yes, it is a long walk, but easy.
I am walking very fast today.
That's right, keep going.
Oh, he's so fast.
Look at that beautiful red bird. The houses look like small toys from here.
Can I have some water, please?
Of course, here you go. The ocean is so wide and blue.
Wow.
Beautiful, isn't it? Now, we are going to get dessert. What is shave ice?
It's like a snow cone.
Oh, really? Cool. It is ice with sweet fruit syrup.
I want strawberry and mango, please.
Here is your rainbow ice. Enjoy. It is cold and very sweet. This tree has many roots. Tonight, we are at a traditional luau.
The dancers are very graceful.
They move so elegantly. The music is very loud and fast. Here is some traditional Hawaiian food.
Wow.
Wow!
Looks delicious.
This purple food is called poi.
I love the fire.
I love the fire and the lights. The sky is full of stars tonight.
I am taking these shells home with me. They are really pretty. I don't want to tow.
I don't want to go home yet. We can come back again next year.
Really?
Really? Check under the bed for your toys. We are checking out now. Thank you.
Have a safe flight. Aloha.
We are driving back to the airport. Our flight is at 2 o'clock. I will play a game on my tablet. I need a coffee before the flight. Goodbye, Hawaii. We had a great time.
I have many beautiful photos.
The sun is setting as we fly home.
It is good to be home again.
Yeah.
It is.
This shell is a memory of our trip. We learned a lot and had fun together.